Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So we are solving Madras School of Economics paper for 2025 sample questions. So what is the question here given? It's question number 37 which we are solving now. India's structural transformation in last 3 decades involved. So the options being given to us: increasing industrial sector share and a stagnant agriculture sector share in GDP, substantial increase in share of service sector and a stagnant industrial sector share in GDP, or increasing service sector share and a declining construction sector share in GDP, or a declining agriculture sector share and a fast increasing industrial sector share in GDP. So India's structural transformation over the last 3 decades, it informed by a shift in composition of GDP. What is that? Shift in composition of GDP. So the service sector has grown substantially, but the agriculture sector, it has been a declining share in GDP. And the industrial sector has not grown. So from this, we can conclude that the correct option is B, substantial increase in the share of service sector and a stagnant industrial sector share in GDP.